Shut your beeper off. Wow. Good morning, welcome back. It is Drift Day 26 and we're gonna attempt to make an upload today. So, it's awesome. Brett, I understand it's your first Drift Day.
Yep.
What do you think so far?
Better than Midnight Madness for sure.
Better than Midnight Madness?
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit, about to foul. The car is ready. The line is kind of short. The morning shit show of scramble of who can get out on the track first is over. And I think I'm gonna go jump in and morning jitter, the first what do we call this? First season morning jitters, anxiety pass out of the way. This car's always given me that kind of little, I guess we'll call it anxiety. It's not the silver Audi. I've only had this thing on the track 4 times. This will be 4. Let's give it a go. We'll find out one way or another. Anxiety run out of the way. It worked enough. Even with his bold ass tires still on it. I totally forgot that they were there, but here nor there.
I don't know how to strap myself in.
Oh,
I'm kidding.
Oh, I was like, are you serious? I can show you. All right, so second run. First run went pretty freaking well. Technically the car's got bald tires on it, but we're gonna send it. They're not showing cords yet, so. We're also gonna try third gear for the first time. Never tried grabbing third gear. I've always been frankly a little scared to do it. Like, I don't know what's gonna happen. Hopefully it works. One way to find out.
I couldn't think of a single thing that could go wrong. No, I don't think there's a single thing that could go wrong.
Nothing should go wrong.
No,
it should be fine.
it's all gonna be great.
Start. Alright, I don't know what exactly happened. I don't know. It's like it wouldn't start. I don't know. I don't think I flooded it by any means, but I don't know. Just another life battle, I guess. So we got fresh meat on it, technically speaking. We need the helmet. Swap tires out from these old slick Johnnies here. These things have been on there for all of New Year's Eve driving. Probably were on there from LS Fest. These things are actually off of the all road. I was saying, tires that are on here now are off the all road. They're gonna feel like shit. They're gonna bounce around. Hopefully we don't take out anything important if we shred one. thing's super cool, man, super cool. Your dad's got a cool car. I'm really, really curious of what it is exactly. It looks like it's just a tune car. All right, well, it's the end of the day for us. Car ran out of fuel. On some of the bigger sweeps, I noticed the thing started to get a little chuggy, I guess you'd call it. We ran through 20 gallons of fuel, so I brought 20, didn't think I was gonna use all of it. Well, I was wrong there. So, next time we'll make sure to bring more fuel with us, but overall, freaking mint. For a car that is sat all winter, and literally this is the 4-track day, the first time we've really kind of just got at it. All it needed the whole time was tires and meth. That's it. I mean, overall, she's a good car. I mean, I'm very happy. Yeah, a year ago today, this thing was still sitting on jack stands. So to come out here and have my friends with me, thank you, Nick. Thank you, Brett. Backwards. We would just reverse the film and play the audio right. Take a car from being on jack stands to being out here and just being able to rip around with my friends makes me really happy. This season is gonna be fun. That's all I got to say. So if you're not subscribed and you want to see more of the Rowdy Audi, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Peace. I'm Audi.